Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to speed down your video in CapCut. Alright, so first of all, go ahead to your app, so Google Play, and what you're going to do, you're going to just tap right here, CapCut, and you're going to double check if there is newest updates on CapCut. If there is, just go ahead and update it, and if there isn't, just move along to the next step. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser, and if you want to reduce the speed in the video in CapCut, just go ahead and fill in the part of the clip that you want to speed up or slow down. Then select the speed tool on the right editing sidebar, move the slider to your desired speed, and then done. It's that simple. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen, go ahead to my CapCut basically, and what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead and click the video that I want to speed down or speed up. If you want to reduce the video speed, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and select this video, for example, right? And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click on the part that I want to speed down. Let's say, for example, I want to slow or reduce speed on this part of this video, so I'm gonna click this part of the video. If you don't know which part that you want to edit or how to cut from the part that you want to reduce to the part that you want to get back to normal tempo, just go ahead right here and just click the split basically, and you're gonna be able to split the part that you want to speed or that you want to, to reduce speed or to increase the speed on that video. So basically, I'm gonna say, for example, this part of the video that I want to increase or reduce speed. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just see right here in the tools sorry, you're gonna see right here in the tools the speed button, click on it, and you're gonna see curve, as in, in how can I say, in the curve means that you can select the part that you want to increase the video from this, like gradually, until the video comes back to the natural tempo. All right, let's say, or you can just click the normal at the below left corner, and then just you can increase or decrease the part that you want to make it. If you move to the right, that means that this part will be increased like as in speed, or if you move to the left, this part will be slow. Okay, so basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and we will definitely see you in the next one.